Let us all give a round of applause to Radhesham Prabhu, the greatest artist in Sridham Mayapur, who have made this welcoming, welcoming all of you to this program. Thank you, Radhesham Prabhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Anjanu lambit bhujau kanaka badato sankirtanai kapitaro kamala